What's up, everybody? We're back on the KLX today for a little after work rip session. Gonna be answering the question today: can the KLX wheelie? Now, if you watch my channel, you definitely know it can wheelie. But just gonna be answering the question, do a little video on the KLX doing some wheelies. So for those of you that are new to the channel, we do have an exhaust and an EJK on this KLX. So that definitely makes it easier. That makes it easier to get the wheel up and everything, and especially in third gear for the third gear pop-ups. But all in all, bone stock, you can wheelie it in second gear, and if you work third gear out of it, you can do third gear too. So let's start off with a little third gear. We're rolling about 40. That was a pretty nice one. So yes, this thing can definitely wheel. I actually have a whole wheelie tutorial. If y'all want to check that out, I'll link it in the description. But where I'm teaching y'all tips and everything for wheeling on the KLX300. But third gear, you definitely have to work it out of it. You gotta kind of seat balance it and clutch pop it right up just the right way. But she'll do it for sure. Second gear is pretty perfect if you're rolling like 20, 25. That's what I would recommend learning in. Woo! Just shifted into third gear. But yeah, for me, second gear is that perfect gear to learn in. First gear, just too slow, and I mean, if you're doing it in the dirt, maybe. But for me, first gear just kind of runs out of the gear too quick. So I'd say second's the perfect. Rolling like 15, 20. Also, I had a question on, like, I think on my wheelie tutorial a while back, someone asked like where I look when I'm doing a wheelie, because it's kind of like you pop it up and the whole bike and the bars are in your face, and I never really directly noticed it, but I tend to find like a little pocket to the right here that I look through, and sometimes I'll look over my bars and sometimes I'll switch sides, but for the most part I kind of have this little pocket on my right that I look through, like right under the bars. So yeah, she can definitely wheelie. Maybe on something like a DRZ 400 or like a CRF 450L. Possibly something like that. You can power wheelie it up where you don't have to work it so much out of it. Like use the clutch and clutch pop it up. But even on bikes like those, or like my race bike or whatever, like a 250 or 450 dirt bike, I tend to just clutch it up anyways. It's good practice for wheelies. The wind or what, but I've been going to the left a little bit lately and it's pissing me off. I probably should mess around with my EJK settings. So I kind of just put the settings it said when I was setting it up. It had like a settings for my setup with the KDX snorkel and an exhaust. and I kind of just did that. Never really messed with it, which I've been happy with it, but I haven't really played around with it. So let me know if anyone has any good settings for the EJK. A quick little 50-mile-an-hour wheelie. And those third gear wheelies, I don't even realize they ain't going that fast. The next thing I know, the wheel touches down and I'm going like 50 or so. But alright everybody, I'm about to go back in. Just wanted to get out, hoon around on this thing for a minute. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe for more KLX videos and all other dirt bike videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video.